Check out this beautiful Truckcedo Elevate rack system on this GMC Sierra. It also has the BAKFLIP MX4 premium aluminum hard folding cover. Look at how nice it matches the truck. Matte black finish. This rack is ready for work, for life, for fun. Put your kayaks, your tents, your bikes up there. Look at these tie downs that come included with the Elevate. Super heavy duty. This is on the new Truckcedo TS rail. You can see how it works with the backflip right there. This rack sits straight, so it works with the folding design. This is a new product. In the past, you could never really do hard folding covers with the bed racks because the cover wouldn't fold. But now this cover can fold up no problem. You get access to your bed all the way. You can tie stuff down. It looks really good. It matches the truck with the matte black finish. Super strong construction, aluminum construction. Visit Truck Access Plus if you're looking to get a bed rack, a bed cover, accessories for your truck. We're in 26th Street and McDowell Road in Phoenix. We ship these nationwide. Visit truckaccessplus.com. Learn more about the Truckcedo Elevate rack and BAKFLIP MX4 combo. We're gonna detail it more in a later video. This is just giving you a preview of how it looks right there. Really nice.